Let's add 12 square numbers. 16 plus 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 16 is equals to 192. 9 plus 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 9 is equals to 108. 4 plus 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 4 is equals to 48. 1 plus 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 1 is equals to 12. Let's summarize. 4 square plus 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 4 square is equals to 192, or 16 plus 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 16 is equals to 192. Or in multiplication, 16 multiplied by 12 is equals to 192. A square number or perfect square is an integer produced by multiplying a whole number by itself. Example: 4 is a square number because it is the result of 2 multiplied by 2. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to my channel Learning City. Bye!